AGNC Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this brief and short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. AGNC Investment is already nice for me. Like, I do have the proof of me backing up my previous claim. Now, I'm the only guy that has done 40,000 videos and documented them all. 40,000, yeah, it's on my YouTube channel. It's taken me 5 years. And ultimately, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Specifically, AGNC's prediction at the time it was 9.13. I was expecting to reach like 10.40 or something. That was nice. I mean, 10.40, it's already like past here, but unironically now we're at 8. I mean, everything kind of got shifted and this kind of also went lower. So since now we're here, for me, actually, this is a very nice demand zone in a sense where the price already peeled down a bit. The only thing that will make me buy is, let me just adjust this, is this pulling down and giving me a second break. And if it does not quite happen, then why the heck would I buy? I'm just saying, no need to force. So stay tuned, and if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month for the indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.